Hi guys, today one of our students Supriya got placed as a Python full stack developer. Basically she is from BCom CA background. Now we will discuss how she is getting a job, what are the rounds are there, we will discuss about the interview experience now. Tell me Supriya, congratulations.
Good morning, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, so you can just tell me your profile and how you are getting a job.
Okay, actually, I'm basically belongs to Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my graduation.
You're from AP, right? Andhra
Yes.
Pradesh. Okay,
I
fine.
have completed my graduation BCom in computer applications in Andhra.
Okay.
So after
Which
that,
year passed out?
2022, sir.
Okay, 2022 become CA.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
After that, I came through my friends have referred me Besant Technologies.
Okay, they already did training
Yeah,
from
they are
Besant
taking
Technologies.
training in the Bangalore.
Okay.
So that I have planned to go. Okay, I have to take training. I have to take in the Besant technologies like that. I have through that I came here and I have taken course like a Python full stack.
Okay.
After that, this is my first interview and I got selected in
Okay,
the
you
first.
are got a job in first
Yes,
interview, right? Yeah.
in that interview, like they were asking normal basic questions related to Python. After that, finally they
That first round is through over the phone, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. How many questions they are asking?
Minimum 7 to 8 questions.
7
That's
to 8
only.
questions related to
Related to
Python.
Python
So
only.
what topic specifically they are asking?
Sets and
Okay,
like
sets.
that, a list.
List. Okay, list
Like that.
sets. Okay.
Very basic questions only.
Okay.
After that, finally they were given one task related to coding.
Okay.
In the task, like they were asking, you have to find out, you have to separate elements one by one inside the list. After that, we have to find out the length also. So like that, the interview round is going. After that, normally second round also that day, same day has been happened. In the second round, they were asked simply normal general questions related to HR round. That's all.
The second round, it's
HR
direct,
round,
right?
yes.
Face to face.
No, sir. Actually, that also.
Okay,
through
so both is
phone
over the phone only,
Yeah.
right? Fine. So now you are moving to Python,
Yes.
like Python developer, right?
Yes.
But you are completing here Python for stack
Python full stack.
development. Like you have idea about front end, back end, and
Yes.
database,
I
everything,
have.
right? Okay, fine. So what about your trainer, like feedback about?
In for front end work, like in front end, my trainers are two trainers for Senkur sir and Ramchandran sir. For Python, like Vignesh sir has taught me, and his teaching is very nice, and he's also a very supportive person, and also he will clear very
So
all the
Vignesh,
doubts,
right?
whatever
Python
the,
trainer.
yeah,
Okay.
whatever the doubts we are having, we can friendly, we can ask like that. And Dizango trainer was the Sabari sir. He also teaching very well.
Okay.
And Dizango, I have a lot of questions that I have asked him. He cleared all my doubts and all. It's nice only.
Yeah, fine.
Very good training.
Fine. So you can just give me a suggestion to the who are all job seeker, right?
Yeah.
What is the suggestion from you for the job seekers?
Like they have to move. They have to like focus on their training and effort. Then only you have to study a lot, and also then only you can search some. Have to attend interviews, mock interviews. If you have a like interview fear like that, no, you can attend mock interviews like that. Then you can overcome that fear. After that, you can directly attend the direct interviews. You can get it. That's all.
Congratulations. So
Thank you, sir.
finally you got a good job in some MNC, right? Yeah, thank you.